There are three main ways of writing numbers. We could use what we call as the standard form, wherein we use numerals or digits arranged in a certain order. The standard form of writing numbers, which uses digits and places, is the most common way of writing numbers. Using the standard form, we write numbers using digits that are arranged in the specific order of their place or place values. So to represent the number 1,672,894, we use digits in a certain arrangement according to their place and place value. Here, we can see that the digits are arranged specifically by their place and place value. So the digit 4 in the ones place, which has a place value of 1, has a value of 4. The digit 9, which is in the tens place, which has a place value of 10, has a total value of 90. The digit 8, which is in the hundreds place and has a place value of 100, has a value of 800. The digit 2, which is in the thousands place, which has a place value of 1000, has a value of 2000. The digit 7, which is in the 10,000s place, has a place value of 10,000 and has a total value of 70,000. The digit 6 is in the hundred thousands place, which has a place value of 100,000 and has a total value of 600,000. And of course, the digit 1, which has a place value of 1 million, has a total value of 1 million.